Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm really excited to try this one out. What we have is a PocketDrum 2 Plus. These are electric air drumsticks. So basically you can just play the drums in the air without having any drums. I mean, sounds kind of weird, but all right, on top we've got the user manual instructions. So how to set it all up, that's cool. Let's check it out here. Nice boxing. Okay, so we have two little drummer sticks. That's cool. And looks like we got drum, bass, and hi-hat. So we got a couple of buttons here for our feet. Looks like we got an audio cable here. Here's a little clip-on device. Looks like this is the brains of the outfit. And we have an audio cable as well. And then we have multiple chargers, USB-A to USB-C, multiples, so that's cool. That's it for that. Nice packaging, really cool. I do have an amp here. You can get an app and play the drums just on an app if you want. I got the amp set up right here. I'm gonna plug this in and I pretty much just turn it on. We'll see how it goes here. So I'm going to put in auxiliary in here. I'm just going to hit the power button. Okay, it says pairing. And I'm just going to take these off, turn on my drums, just press the button. That blue light starts flashing and it just starts pairing. I'm going to put these down by my feet here. Let's see if I turn this thing on. And then basically with the drumsticks, it has these two power buttons on here. You just want to go ahead and hold those down. It drums at like a 45-degree, or sticks at a 45-degree angle. So it's pretty much got our everything set out in front of you. If you set these right at like a 45, and then it'll just kind of press the power button. It'll should be the hi-hat in front of you, right here. Then we have the other ones up here. Our little what's that one called? Got our cymbals over here and our other one. I don't know the names of all these things. I'm not a drummer. There's the foot one, and there's my little hi-hat over here. Same thing that's over here. All right. Okay, so we're going to calibrate here. I'm putting it out a little bit more. I wish I had. Okay, I think it shows you where the little setup is, like where the drums are. So it does have drum position up here. We got our crash. Down below we have our hi-hat. Then we have the high tom. And then mid tom. That's cool. Then we have our ride. It's that little cymbal-like thing up top. We have in our middle one, we're going to have this snare drum. And over here we got our, I'm going to just recalibrate real quick. Nope, hold them both down to recalibrate. I want to do that drum roll thing. These things are really cool. I'm not super like get my drums out here. How do you do the drum roll thing? Oop, hit my sticks together. Okay, just gonna recalibrate here real quick. 45-degree angle, and it's gonna put our snare drum right here, bass down here. Going out here further, I want my snare drum right here so I can have my other things up here. Okay. Just gonna hold them down, and then that's gonna, let's see, 45-degree angle. Okay, I mean, these things are a lot of fun. I wish I was good at drumming and I could just really do a nice beat for you guys. But these things are a blast. It also it does have a phone app too. You can set it up, and it has like kind of like the Guitar Hero thing, where the things come down and you hit the different things to set them off or whatever. And you can just play off your phone too. Just get the app and it'll make the sounds too. So, but with the amp here, really sets it off. You can also plug this into your computer and do that too. So you got for drummers, for beginners, and for musicians, all kinds of music. You can do like a music software on your computer or whatever. So. Anyways, guys, these are a ton of fun, and to recalibrate, just put them together, press the power buttons. Oops, I'm gonna hit my things together there. Where's my hi-hat? There it is. But anyways, these things, super cool. It's actually, I'm like, the harder you do it, it's softer. Like, the harder you hit it. I do my cymbals really loud. Oops. Or quietly. So if it gets a little bit off, you kind of figure out in your mind like where these things are. And then so yeah, a lot of fun. Really, I could set this for hours just trying to figure out how to get a good beat down and stuff like that. So if you were an actual drummer, I'm sure you would have even more fun than I am with these. Just a blast. You don't have to have the big old drum set over. Really accurate as how hard I'm hitting it or how soft. It reads that too. So if I want to play gently. So my friends, really cool. I'm very impressed with it. It's just a lot of fun, and you're actually very accurate too. I mean, once you get it synced down, everything is right where it's supposed to be pretty much all the time. And if it gets a little bit off, you can just recalibrate. You get your hi-hat back here. Always want to do that drum roll thing. Anyways, my friends, these are really cool. I'm having a blast with them. They're a lot of fun. Check them out. Air drums. I mean, they're PocketDrum 2. Pretty sweet from AeroBand. Anyways, yeah. Thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. I hope it was helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.